Hi, welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about the most important piece of equipment you have in your kitchen, and that is your knives. Here in the Teaching and Research Kitchens at NC State, we have a philosophy that you only need a few knives in your drawer to be a great cook. The most important knife in your drawer will be the chef knife. You can get an 8-inch chef knife that's French, or you can get one that's Asian that's shaped a little differently, but you really need a good chef knife in your drawer or block. Then a serrated knife that you'll use to cut bread and also soft fruits and vegetables. A paring knife, which is a smaller knife here. A good set of kitchen shears is also very important. You'll use it for opening packages. You may use it to help you cut apart a chicken if you buy a whole chicken. You really will grab your scissors more than you think. And then a great speed peeler. This speed peeler here is what they call a Y speed peeler. You want good quality knives, but there's a lot of different price ranges that you can shoot for. Go for what you can afford. Keep your knives sharp. This is your basic set. You can add to that if you need to, but this is all we have here in the Teaching and Research Kitchen, just these few knives to make you be a better cook. If you want to practice your knife skills, check out some of the recipes at the website below.